Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the photo in a resume template on Canva. So if you want to create a resume from Canva, by using Canva, you can easily create it by using the template. So let's try to find the template first. And as you know, if you know, in a template, there are already photos existed or attached into the resume like this. You can see there are photos on each of resume. So if you want to replace it, just follow the steps. So let's click on one of the template and let's customize the template. This one. So it will be open. Just wait. So in here, the template is already open. Let's zoom it first. I'm going to change this photo. So if you want to do the same, you can just find the photos. You can upload it from your gallery, from your library, or you can also just, for example, I'm going to just use photos from this Canva. But if you want to add your own, you can upload it, like click on upload and then choose the photo. So let's try to find a right photo. Okay, so I'm going to add this one. Click on the photo. After that, you can just drag this photo into the frame. So just drag it like this and let go, and you can see the photos will be there. So to change the position, you can double click on the photo and adjust the position how you like it, and that's it. Now the photo is changed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.